All right, so tonight out on Lake Conroe, and I'm just gonna show how these fish set up on structure, why they set up on structure, and how water fluctuation really changes where these fish get in this area. We call this place the jungle on Lake Conroe, and basically, like you saw in the clip before, it's nothing but standing up timber and just like we call them beanie trees, and just kind of bushes everywhere. And we flip baits like this. It's called a Texas rig Cinco, and we flip baits like that into these bushes and catch these fish. This time of year, when the water temp hits about 60, it really moves those fish in there to spawn. But in about three to 4 weeks, they're gonna drop to like 3 feet. So it's really gonna hurt where these fish kind of get at and where they position at. Right now, they're actually in the jungle, and I'll show some clips of what the inside looks like. And then eventually they're gonna move out to the outside edge of the jungle once that water starts dropping. So I'll also show what the outside looks like in here in a second. So I'm gonna try to catch some fish. I actually caught some earlier, and I'll show a clip right here of a 5-pounder I caught out of the bushes, and it was in the inside because the water hasn't dropped yet. Water temp's about 67, so it's really perfect right now. So we're gonna keep fishing and see what we can catch. So right now I'm in the inside of the jungle, and this is what it looks like in here. It's a lot more spread out. You see we have a lot of like holes in the bushes and the trees. Those fish like to get in those little holes and spawn, and we'll actually throw that bait that I just showed inside those holes, and that's where those fish set up to make their beds, and they lay their eggs in, and that's how we catch them. We just flip in those little holes. All right, so now we're on the outside of the jungle, and you can see how much tighter this is. There's just hardly no holes. And these fish still spawn in these, but they're a lot deeper, and a lot of times when that water starts dropping, that's why they get into them. So in a couple weeks, when they do drop the water, all these fish are gonna be on the outside edge instead of the inside. So this just kind of proves how water fluctuation really does mess with these fish. And yeah, in a couple weeks, they'll really be out here. I didn't catch any on the outside tonight because the water's still at normal pool. I caught them all on the inside. So yeah, that just proves how the water fluctuation works on Lake Conroe.